How to increase your wealth level on Gemgala app. So Gemgala app is actually a social entertainment and gaming app that allows users to chat, build communities, and also play mini game with people worldwide. In this video, I'm going to simply show you how to increase your level on this app. So looking right here, if you click on the cat icon at the bottom of your screen like this, looking right here, you'll be able to see where it says my level. So if you click on that like this, you're going to be able to see the current level which you are currently at. So looking right here, this is the current level I'm at. This is actually a new account, so I want to show you guys how to actually increase your level. Looking right here, in order for you to increase your level on the Gemgala app, this is what you can simply do. So looking right here, it says top up 1 million coins more to level up. In order for you to level up and increase your level, your wealth level from one level to another, you need to top up at least 1 million coins in order for you to be able to level up. Looking right here, you can see level 1. It says here as well, top up 1 million coins more to level up. So you just need to go ahead and top up 1 million coins in order for you to be able to level up and increase your wealth level on the Gemgala app. So in order for you to actually get those coins, looking right here, you can see the coin and also the gem. If you click on the coin like this, in order for you to top up, looking right here is the current amount of coin I have on this account. In order for you to top up, you can simply click on top up like this. So looking right here, you're going to see the packages which are available for you depending on the level you are currently on. So in order for you to top up, you just need to go ahead and click on it like this, and you are going to be able to add your card and pay for it, and you'll be able to top up and increase your level on the Gemgala app. You can actually increase your level as well by participating on different games on the platform. So this is how simple it is for you to increase your level on the Gemgala. So this is how simple it is for you to increase your level on the Gemgala app. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell. See you in the next one.